Wala pa rin yung PIN mo? Don't worry. I'll tell you how to get it. Stay tuned. Hey Dynamiters! Welcome back to my channel. Dynamite Effect here. It's been a long time since the last time na nag-vlog ako, and because I myself is having a problem with the PIN verification, so I'll just gonna tell you how to do the manual verification at sundan nyo ko. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, so this is it. So today I will provide you the step-by-step process on how to do the manual verification of our Google Adsense PIN. Manual verification because of the failure na hindi natin natanggap yung ating Google Adsense PIN na pinadala ni YouTube sa ating payment address. First things first, bakit ba nagpapadala ng Google Adsense PIN si YT? This is to protect the security of our account. Google po ay nagre-require ng verification ng address before they can send us the payments or yung sahod natin kay YT. So once we receive or reach the earnings of the verification threshold, which is for some $10, okay, depende sa lugar natin, si YT po, they mail us our personal identification number for payment verification ng address or address verification. Normally, it takes 2 to 4 weeks po for the PIN to arrive para matanggap natin, but it may take longer than 4 weeks depende on our address. And because of this COVID situation or because of this pandemic situation, yung PIN natin is most of the time na-delay, and most of us nakapag-request na ng 1, 2, 3 hanggang 4 po. Now, once you receive naman na PIN, you just have to enter it sa ating Adsense account to verify yung ating address. Now, you have 4 months from the time po na for the first time that they have send the PIN to enter it sa Google Adsense, because if we haven't entered it after 4 months, of course, YT will stop showing ads or putting ads on our channel. So let's go ahead and get started without further ado, let's go ahead and gawin na natin siya. Alright? So first things first, you have to go on to, of course, sign into your Google Adsense account. So normally, I just type in Google Adsense. Ayan, google.com Adsense. Ayan. Sign in lang po tayo. So automatic because I have already, lagi naman ako naka-sign in then. So after that, you would see here, verify your billing address. So since I don't have the PIN to enter here because you have 3 attempts to do that, so dito po sa verify your billing address, just click on the ellipsis, just 3 dots, click on that and click on help, and you will be routed to this page, address verification overview. Alright, so just scroll down and then look under PIN troubleshooter. Just click on that, and then you will be routed to personal identification number troubleshooter. So there are a set of questions here that we need to answer in all honesty. So the first questions is, are your earnings greater than the verification threshold, which is the $10? Okay, so yes, of course, because they will not require us to verify our address not unless we have reached the $10 verification threshold. Alright, so just click on yes. The next question is, have you received your PIN? The reason why we're doing this is because we have not received the PIN. Okay, so just click on no. And then the next question is, have you already requested 3 PINs? Replacement PINs, of course. So we have already requested, I think 4 na, pang 4th time ko na napag-request. So since it's hanggang 3 lang naman, sabi ko, have you already requested 3 replacement PINs? So if you just have to click on this. Alright, then after that, sabi dito, you'll have 4 months from the date your first PIN is generated to enter it in your account. If you haven't entered it after 4 months, katulad na sabi ko kanina, just like what I've said, they will stop showing ads on our channel. So just click on please contact us. So please contact us. There we go. And you will be routed to another page that says personal identification PIN. This is where we need to fill out the information po. Required field, of course, your name. So just type in your name po natin, complete name list, and then of course contact email address. This is where they're gonna send us the PIN. Normally, ang ginagamit po natin dito is yung account associated sa ating Adsense account or sa ating YT account. So I have to put in my Gmail account, and then of course your Adsense publisher ID. What is this and where to find it? Just click on the question mark for the information. Yung publisher ID is the unique identifier for your AdSense account in the format na PUB- and then the numbers. Now, we can find it on our account information sa ating Google AdSense account, and then choose account, then click account information. So just follow the instructions, go to your Google AdSense, the burger menu, this one, then just click on account down, and then account information. So once you click on this one, makikita natin publisher ID, customer ID, time zone, and blah blah blah. So you just have to copy this pub something. This is the format, so Control C, and then go back here and just Control V or paste it. Just copy and paste it. Alright, so the next step is to submit an attachment. So in submitting an attachment, we have to provide a clear and visible proof of identity in order to confirm the validity of the postal address na sinet natin sa AdSense account. Now, make sure lang po, of course, pretty much dapat same ang address na nakalagay, or else go back here and then payments. Under payments, so scroll down lang natin, manage settings, and then makikita natin yung payments profile natin wherein naka-indicate under name and address yung ating name, and of course the address na ating nilagay sa ating Google AdSense pin or dun sa address na nilagay natin. Dun sa address. Okay, and make sure lang po, yun na po, just to make sure that it's correct and it's your account talaga. Kasi yun yung way nila to verify if you're the same person kasi. Alright, so just click on file, just make sure that you're ready with the file. And then ako, meron ako, so I have, oh, by the way, they have options on providing a copy of our identification card. So we can use a government issued ID card, which would show the name, our name, and our address. Normally, we can use, of course, the passport, the SSS ID, the TIN card. We can also use postal ID. We can also use driver's license, alright, or PRC, as long as there is the name and our address on it, or voter's ID, okay? Or if you don't have any government-issued ID, then we can use a bank statement that shows your name and the address, or telephone bill or rent receipt or utility bills. Okay, so after that, so just those are just the reminders on how to choose which one to upload. So meron ako, of course, my passport ID, which is this one, and then just click on that. And I also wanted to add, one is okay, but if you wanted to be sure, because I have under the passport ID, but it doesn't show my address, so I have to upload also my voter's ID. So let me just check my voter's ID. There you go. And then which shows my address. So just click on that one, and then don't forget to hit on submit. Okay. There you go. So according, this form has been submitted to AdSense account. We'll try to get back to you within 24 hours if your query is about your own account and requires an action from our side. However, depending on the volume of messages that we receive, it may take up to 48 hours or longer for us to reply. Thank you for your patience. And while we're doing this, of course, I have received an email already. So let me try to check sa aking Gmail. So very mabilis, no? It's very fast. So just click on Gmail because this is my Gmail account. And then I have received a response. So let's check ano yung response na yun. Where is that? AdSense, the email came from AdSense.support. So let's check. Alright, so immediately I have received, okay, it doesn't show any attachment though, pero I'll get back to you on that. Sabi dito, as a precautionary health measure for our Google support specialist in light of COVID-19, some support options may be unavailable per delay. We apologize for any inconvenience, blah blah blah. And hello, thank you for contacting AdSense support team. As specialists investigating your issue will reply as soon as possible. Our team makes every effort to reply within 2 business days, Monday through Friday. So today is what? Saturday. So actually, it's not a business day, so maybe we can wait until Monday or Tuesday. But don't forget, don't worry, because I'll get back on you kung kailan ko makukuha yung result. And then I'll tell you kung ano yung email na natanggap ko from Google AdSense and how am I gonna get the Google AdSense pin. Welcome back to my channel, and as promised, I would give you an update dun sa email na pinadala sa akin ng YC. Because if you could remember, I have done the manual verification last Saturday. So, according to the email, it would take 24 to 48 hours working days or business days. So apparently last Saturday is not a business day, so I have to wait until Monday. So today Monday, I've checked my email, so parang hindi siya nag-reflect. So what I did is I have done it again by filling out the information and uploading the the copy of my passport and the copy of my voter's ID, and then in just a second, I received the same email, yung my from Google Adsense team, support team, and blah blah blah. Then after that, naka-receive ako ng isang email telling that my account has been verified. Ayan, congratulations, diba? After a long wait, ayan na. And then, when I check my account, wala na yung payment on hold, blah blah blah, and all that. So, I was assuming na pinasok na nila yung aking sahod sa aking bank account. So, I would just still be needing to check it with my bank as well. But apart from that, kasi when I check my video account, wala pa ako nakikitang balance na nagre-reflect. So, maybe I have to wait for the next couple of days. But then again, the good news is that verified ang ating account and continuous na ang ating sahod sa YT. Ayan, congratulations to us! Ayan, so I just wanna show you and share you this email. Ipapakita ko po sa ating video. So please, watch out!
Hey guys! Welcome back! So today po, ayan, I just wanna share with you yung ang result ng ating application for manual verification para sa ating Google Adsense account. Yan. So after I did it on Saturday, of course, meron tayong na-receive na meron tayong na-receive na email from Adsense regarding our application. So, na-recognize nila, they were able to acknowledge na meron tayong application for the manual verification. So, since it was Saturday and I was expecting dapat Monday, meron na siyang ano. What I did is, inulit ko yung process. It's the same thing process. And immediately after seconds lang, minutes lang, I was able to receive the same email. Alright? Then after that, I received this email. Okay? So, ang nilalaman po ng email, andito po yung sinabi ng Google AdSense support team. Thank you for sending your proof of identity. Ayan. I am happy to let you know that this fulfills the address verification requirement for AdSense. So, I was able to complete the process daw po. So, please note, you may still see the payment hold notification in your account, but rest assured, that your PIN has been verified na. So, verified na po yung ating address sa ating Google AdSense, and the notification will disappear within 24 to 48 hours. So, basically, yung sinasabi po dito ni Google na meron pa rin makikita tayong payment hold notification in our account because when you open Google AdSense, ayan, I'm just gonna show it to you. Ay, wala na. Ayan. Oh my God, wala na po yung ano. Ay, ano ba yun? So, wala na yung on hold and nakalagay na dito, zero na yung aking balance because they were able to forward yung balance the last time dun sa aking account. So, we're gonna check kung totoo ngang na i-forward na po nila. Ayan. So, nawala na. So, I'll show you before kasi nakalagay dito the payment has been on hold because you have not verified the PIN yet. Parang ganon. So, ayan, within 24 to 48 hours, I have done this 8 hours ago. So, basically, na-update kagad yung ating information. Alright, so sabi nga, notification will disappear within 24 to 48 hours. So, I would say, past 8 hours, they were able to update my status na po. So, basically, naipasok na nila sa ating bank account yung amount ng ating revenue sa YT, pinasok na nila sa aking payment method. Kasi ang ginamit po natin is, of course, yung wire transfer, bank to bank. So, transfer nila, ayan. So, nag-back to zero na po siya. And according here, the last payment was issued on October 4, which is yesterday or today? Ano ngayon, sis? 4? October 4. So, today, pinasok nila yung amount na ito sa aking October 5. So, it was issued yesterday. Okay. And then, maybe because of the time zone, I'm not quite sure. And then, back to 0 ulit yung ating amount. So, we have to earn again. Kailangan natin pagpatuloy ang pag-upload at pag-earn sa ating YT account. So, back to 0 na naman siya, of course. And then, as soon as we reach again the threshold amount of $100, then they will again transfer the amount sa ating bank account. So, ito po, wire transfer to bank account ending with 463. So, there you go. So, yun po yung matatanggap nilang email. That would mean, ito po yung email that thanks for sending your proof of identity. Once you receive it, automatic, verified na po yung address natin. But you have to make sure that you were able to choose a form of payment. You can check the old vlog na how to update your payment method. Ayan po. And then you have to check if you have reached the payment threshold, which is $100. And then check yung payment timeline kung kailan po tayo babayaran, because it is between, sabi, account balance between 10th and the 15th of the month.
And once again, if you do have any questions about this, please don't forget, just comment down below. And of course, don't forget to like this and give me this big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Once again, this is Dana, Dynamite Effect. Always remember, never stop learning and keep educating yourself. Bye, Dynamiters. See ya. Hey, Dynamiters. Well, ay, walang boses. Walang lumalabas na boses.